Dunkin', how may I help you today?
How you doing? Let me get a large iced caramel coffee.
Any cream and sugar in your iced coffee, sir?
Yeah, regular cream, 1 sugar and less ice. That'll be all.
Okay. No donuts or muffins to go with it?
No,
Okay, $2.75. Please go forward. Thank you.
thank you. How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, we're going to Chemical Guys grand opening. So, guys, it's 7:39 right now, and I'm going to the grand opening. To be honest, it's not like I really need a lot of stuff for what I do, because like I said before, I'm not an expert on detailing, but for what I have right now, I think I'm okay. I just got a few days ago, I had my new ceramic coat from Chemical Guys, and I know that one is pretty good. I saw the reviews. That thing works really good. So I have my new ceramic, I have wax. I recently get jet seal from them. I get a bunch of products. These couple of days, I get a lot of products. So it's not like I really need some. Um, but I just want to go over there and see the grand opening and see people around, and probably they're gonna have a bunch of cool cars. So that's what we're gonna do. I just went over there and get my coffee, and this episode is not sponsor. Okay, I went to get my coffee. I'm ready to go to the grand opening. We'll see what we found over there, and especially I want to go see the cars because I know it's gonna be a bunch of cool cars over there. I hope so. It's like 45-minute drive, so let me just go over there. Guys, we arrived. Line is not that bad. They said that they're gonna give some prizes, some gifts to the first 50 people in line. So, wow. Look at the vehicles around here. Look at that Honda Civic right there. Mm-mm-mm. 370, 350. Are cool cars. So, I'm not gonna stay in line. I'm just gonna go over there and watch some of the cars. And let's see. Now, that's a nice setup right there. So, it's already, I think, more than 50 people around on the line. I was gonna wait there, but nah. Check out this 5.0. Nice. So let's check the cars. I'm not gonna wait online, so I'm gonna walk around a little bit, just checking what they have over here. Not a lot of cars yet, but there is some. I like that splitter on that Nissan. And that 5.0 sounds really nice. I think we have here a Camaro CL1. I know that channel. Little Camaro. Now, if you want to talk about beautiful cars, look at this. Grand Sport. It looks amazing. Beautiful Corvette. Come on, bro, let me hear it. Nice. Okay, guys, so we stayed there for a few hours. The lane was crazy. It was a lot of people, but it was good. I didn't get like a lot of stuff because, to be honest, I've been ordering a lot. So I get one of these because everything is 20% off. Mr. Pink, headlight restoration product. Obviously, my citrus wash and gloves because this one is really good when you get a new car. You don't know anything about that car, so this one is gonna remove the grease. It's gonna remove everything. Uh, so this is really handy to have a big bucket. You save a lot of money. Another dirt trap bucket. So this is my second bucket. Maybe next month I'm gonna get the bottom, the wheels for the two buckets that I have already, and that's gonna make everything so easy. You're gonna be able to move around with those wheels. Your buckets when you use the two bucket method. So that's it for this episode, guys. I hope you like it. Just a little, just a brief episode on the new opening of the store. If you have any questions, guys, please comment down below, and I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.